We're set up on automatic cycling for 250 milliliters. I'm not pressing the trigger switch for each of the 5 deposits because we're on automatic cycling. It takes 5 seconds to do 250 milliliters. I'm pressing the trigger switch in the middle of the deposit. It'll stop right here and it won't cycle again. So with the deposit settings on the keypad, we're at 250 milliliters. We're trying to show you the accuracy. All of these 5 deposits run to 250 milliliters. So, and you can tell you can get as close as you want or far apart. Let me just show you that. That's how you get a smaller spray. You just need to get closer. There are 13 holes in the bottom of this shower head, so the stream coming out of each one will not cut or score the top of your cakes.